ECN Trade Technical Webinar. Good morning, my name is Rob Clayton. Well, the Australian dollar price action turns away from the low 73 region and heads back towards the 74 cent after stabbing a high of 74.44 overnight. To me, was a bullish exhaustion pattern and then drops away. However, we could see another test towards this region with the resistance holding at 74.45 and then beyond there to 74.95 to 05. If you look at the longer term pattern, is that the fact that we still are in a negative formation, no trend seen at the moment, so this return demand should eventually pass and then expect to see a fall back towards the support of 73.45.55 and beneath there the objective holding to 72.5. The euro, very much like the Australian dollar, gives an exhaustion stab action towards a resistance of 112.90 to 113 the figure. From the rejection and with the negative oscillators back in play, I look for a move away from 112.90 figure and look towards the support holding at 112.40 and then lower down towards 111.75 with the objective still holding towards 110.50.60. What would turn this market around is if we get a break to the upside of 114 the figure. If it clears these highs, this outside range day, then yes, I do expect to see a further move up towards the 115 region or this rejection. However, I still feel that the market is in a downward play and resistance should hold anywhere between 113 the figure to 114 the figure. Dollar yen story, no road to recovery, and at this stage still looks towards that major level of 105.20 after stabbing there last night around 105.40. As you can see here, the market is breaking down again. Now do note, if we do go through this level of 105.20, I don't view any support until around about 101. So it is quite a big level of 105. And what's concerning is weeklies are still in favour of seeing this move down. So on the day, resistance should cap anywhere around 106.40. And as I say, looking for that move down towards that 105.20 and if breached, lower. Well, sterling comes back in a mild positive form of approach towards that 142 level. On the day, I expect to see a range of 142.15 and a decline down to 141.5. A break underneath there would actually look towards 140.80 with the objective back in play towards 138 to 139. There is a few hurdles on the upside for the pound to get stronger, and one of them being 142.80 and then above that 143.65. But while this pattern clearly is in form for a further fall, I only see last night's price action as short-term coverage or profit taking. And to wrap with gold, well, gold puts in another brave attempt and stabs at that resistance of 12.96 and holds. On the day, I expect to see this level hold around 96.98 and look for a move down towards 12.86. The indicators are still quite tired, and if you look at the dailies, extremely overbought, but we haven't got the confirmation of a sell signal yet. But that being said, towards 96.98 or even higher towards the recent highs of 1,300.06.08 should still see the bears come back and contest any challenge there. Well, that's the wrap for the day. Thank you very much for listening.